baby.
You got me dancing in the dark. I close my eyes, but I won't sleep tonight. Baby, you should come with me. I'll take you to the dark side. Me and you and me, do bad things in the nighttime. Baby, you should come with me, and we can kill a life with the lights, let it black out, with the lights, let it black out, black out. Black earth, black moon, black sky, black light, black everything black.
Hello and welcome to another edition of Black Knight Mustang Lifestyle. Of course, y'all know it starts with coffee. Good coffee from the house. And also this is sponsored by Community Coffee as always. As y'all seen at the beginning of the video, y'all seen the package, and we've been waiting on this package for a long time. Been needing to do this to Black Knight, get them ready and some other stuff we got to do, but we were really waiting to get this package, and now we're gonna have to wait to get installed. So let's get into that package. What we have here is Ford Performance, and I think this is the Ford Performance ring and pinion gear kit. So let's go inside this and see. So we're going to zoom in so y'all can see it a little better. And as y'all can see right there, and these are 373 gears. And also, as y'all can see over there, they gave us some Ford stickers right there. We'll put them on our toolbox or something. And let's see what else is in the box. Give me 1 second. We got the 2-bottle Royal Purple, which is 75/90 weight gear oil to go in there, as y'all can see. And this is, I guess, motivated gears. This is the high quality kit, differential transmission casing and everything. So hopefully y'all can see that. That's everything in it. So hopefully we're not missing anything. I'm gonna go back and check. Go back and look at my order and check everything and see are we missing anything, because the way the box was tore up. But we're gonna like I said, look back at the order and see, make sure we're not missing anything. So okay, y'all, with getting them gears, we got them gears in like Wednesday, and I talked to a guy that was right in Alabaster, and I was trying to get him to put the gears in Saturday, and he said he was busy, that he wasn't gonna be able to do it Saturday. When I talked to him Wednesday, and he was supposed to do them Sunday. Well, I haven't heard anything from him Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and today, of course, Sunday, which is Mother's Day. He was supposed to get on the first thing this morning and get the gears in. Other than that, I called Speed Addict, and he's tied up. He told me if I don't get them done, Speed Addict 731, he would do something after Fox Takeover. And I kind of want them. I kind of want them on before I go there. So if I can find somebody else that can do it, hopefully I get the gears in and maybe I can film it and everything, and get some footage of it so y'all know, and then see where the difference at. Drive it before then and then after and see what's the difference. Like I said, I've been wanting these gears in for the longest, to get my car a little bit more, get up and go. So with that said, also June the 6th. Okay, y'all, I wanted to kind of get this right, so I kind of wrote this down, but we're going to have a meet that Friday. I think Caleb and Ken going to have a meet that Friday. And also the race and everything, I think, is that Saturday or whatever. And then we usually still stay to Sunday. So usually about a 3-day thing, but, it just depends, but whatever you want to do. But Caleb, I'm going to take your clip and put it up, try to put it up here in between here, and put that event out. As far as we know, so far they said it's not going to be canceled. So if you can be up there in Jackson, Tennessee, or you can go to Cable's page, which is Foxcast Media, and get an address or whatever. Maybe before then I'll try to get an address and put it up here for y'all. But some of the people that's going to be there, me with Black Knight, you got, I just wrote them down because I ain't want to kind of miss nobody. You got Foxcast, which is Caleb with his nice Mustang Fox body. You got Speed Addict 731 with his brand new 2020. I don't know the color, I just know it's blue. But, and I don't even know his name that he gave out for his car yet. But anyway, he's going to be there. They are the two that's hosting for Foxcast and Speed Addict 731. And also Street Slayer is supposed to be there. I don't know about John Deere, he might be there. Mike, which is another driver like me. Pony 1992 and his wife Nova Castillo. Hopefully I pronounced that right. But they would be there. I have no idea what Pony is bringing. He has a couple of Mustangs, so I hope he brings the daily, because I like the daily, and I might just take that back with me. If he brings that, so watch yourself, Pony. Anyway, you also got my buddy and my brother, Gearhead 704. I have no idea what he's bringing. I don't know if he's bringing the Carolina car, he's bringing the new one that he's working on. He might bring both of them, so you never know. Real cool dude, and like I said, I don't know what he's bringing. He might bring both. Hopefully he'll bring both. Also, you got my brother, Toon TV. I know he would be there. He has that car that, man, has an awesome sounding exhaust system. I met him last year, and he is the one that set up my beginning of my intro. He said, brother, I think you need a better intro. I'll make you one. He made one. I love it to death. I got to get him to get me a new one. But I know it's no problem. If I tell him to hook me up with a new intro, he'll probably do it. But real nice dude, right? Real nice brother. Glad I met him and everything. Real cool. Brutal 2L. That's my brother down in Dothan, Alabama. We was trying to hook up and do something this year together and do some, do some stuff on YouTube, but we never got a chance to do it. He stayed busy all the time. I stay busy all the time, but we get to see him down there. I don't know what he's bringing. He might be bringing a new Calypso or Cyclone, whatever that car is. He might be bringing that one and his other one. I have no idea. He has a couple of Fox bodies, so be on the lookout for him. Also, Salty Stain. We don't know if brother Salty Stain gonna make it. I'm not sure. I know he's working on his house or something, so we're really not sure. Hopefully, Salty Stain, you'll make it, and we'll get to see you, brother. 5.0 at Fioroy, he would definitely be there. He's one cool brother too. He's doing a lot of working on a lot of stuff. I don't know what Fieroy gonna bring, because him and his brothers always working on a lot of stuff, so you never can tell, and they stay busy all the time. Underfed Coyote 5.0. I don't know if he's gonna make it or not. I haven't heard from him, or I talked to him a little bit on the chat on Ken's thing, but I don't know. But that's a few names to go by. But other than that, with that said, y'all, hopefully we can get these gears in, these 373 gears in, and I want them in, like I said, before I go to Ford Takeover. Hopefully that'll happen, so keep your hands crossed. But y'all know, if y'all see that video pop up, you know I got them in there. But with that said, y'all, we're going to end this video. There's nothing else we got to say, nothing else to do, but just get ready for June the 2nd for Ford Takeover. And that's it. Other than that, we out here. Staying light, baby. Peace.
Shadows fall over my heart. I black out the moon. I wait for you to come